Okay, now, and explain what's happened. Explain what's happened.
Just walking and the straps just come off. It's just come out. They're okay, it's just that one. So, it just needs to stick back down.
A bit further in than that.
Yeah.
I use glue and I use activator, 2 bottles. This glue is made in Black Bull.
Right.
Okay, this is made Germany. Now, I use just only glue. One side and another side. And I put inside. Now, I put glue.
Just get a bit further in than that.
Yeah, no, that's it, won't go any further.
Is it not?
Okay.
No.
Well,
And squeeze. Now, this is activator. I put activator on the top. Activator chemical reaction more faster. Leave it 3, 5, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, maybe 20 seconds. See you next year.
Wow.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If it's still there by Wednesday,